everyone. I am Althea Lorraine Belaro from Batch 4, and today we are going to talk about the titles of the Nabiktima Ka Na Ba ng Ghosting. And ang ano po natin ngayon, 365 Daily Devotion Seminary Edition in December 3 is Jesus, the image of the invisible God. And the given scripture today is Colossians 1 verse 15. So let's all read the concept of the Jesus, the image of the invisible God. Jesus reveals the God we cannot see in him. God's character, power, and glory become visible and understandable. He is not merely God's nature. To know Jesus is to know the Father. His words, actions, and compassion show us what God is truly like and invite us into a restored relationship with Him. So the three teachings here are the Jesus reveals that God is not distant but near and personal. God is not passive but active and relational. And God is gracious, loving, and sacrificial. So, all of this po, ang reflection ko lang ito sa panibagong video ni Pastor Russell, that God really loves us in a way or in a sense talaga na yung pagmamahal na meron tayo ay mas mature pa pala yung pagmamahal ng Panginoon na binibigay niya sa atin. Sorry po, maingay. But I just wanted to inform you guys that everyone, there is no exemption with God, and He truly loves us even we are there is no religion kasi for Him. There is no religion na sabi na makakaligtas sa atin. It is us having a relationship to God. For us to be able to be in heaven, we should be connected with our dear Lord, and as well as we give back all the glory to Him, we give back all the love that He deserved, and we all give back everything to Him. Dahil yun naman talaga ang nararapat, dahil ang ating Panginoong Diyos ay may isang salita at ang kanyang salita ay tinutupad talaga niya. And Lord, give us everything that we need here on earth, and might us that we should also do the same thing, because never niya tayong iniwan sa kahit anong sitwasyon in our life. So that's all, everyone. Thank you po for listening, and have a great day ahead for tomorrow. God bless everyone, and bye bye for now.